Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today I got this. It's the Mechlands Vibe 99. We're going to open this up, try it out, right after this. Okay, well, you know, whenever I review a computer keyboard, I always have to do something like this. Basically, open it up right in front of you, as good as I can, fitting in the frame of the camera. Alright, yeah, here it is. Okay, so without further ado, I don't see why we just can't just open it up and see what it is. So, what can I tell you about Mechlands? I know we've reviewed one of their products before, and look at the gaming keyboard. This looks like more of a practical typing keyboard. I don't know what color this is. I think there's probably a designation. Alright. Oh, hey, before I get to that, I should probably say what's in the box. You can see instructions and the charging attachment cord. Because I believe this one is wireless. No, I don't really. Is it? Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, we got the big three going on here. So we got wired, Bluetooth. It's blue. See? Near my teeth. Yeah, that's a good sign for it. And 2.4 gigahertz connectivity, which is, I'm assuming, probably with this little dongle here. Why don't we try it out, shall we? Okay, I suddenly realized that my mic was backwards, and yeah, that could lead to a lot of effects. Hopefully we won't get those. If not, I'll probably put a warning there and stuff like that. I don't really feel like doing all the video footage because, well, I've already unboxed it. So yeah. Alright, enough of my complaining. I think I was just talking about how smooth it types. Hopefully my mic got that. Yeah, I know. If I hadn't checked that. Sometimes this job can be so frustrating. Did that make it in the final take? I don't know. I don't know if it did. Okay, I put it in Bluetooth mode, and I put my computer in Bluetooth mode, but I'm not getting any pairing instructions. Something tells me I probably have to hit a switch on here to make it pair. Let's see if I do. Okay, best thing I think I can do is simply unplug, whoop, and plug in the dongle. Now, something I just noticed here, something I did notice here is there seems to be a switch here. And it looks like there's also a switch for Windows to Mac. I'm going to switch it into Windows, which it already is in. Okay, so here's, I think, the dongle. And let's see if that works out really well. Does it work? It does. Wireless, no connection, look, no wires. Is there anything I can notice on the bottom here? Yeah, it's got some interesting, some of these flippy outy things, for lack of a better term. I guess I'll just go with that. Okay, as far as Bluetooth, should I try that? Yeah, what the heck. Okay, in order to pair this, I have to hold down the FN key with WER. So, okay. Oh, let's say hold down for 3 to 5 seconds. Got it. In pairing mode. Not seeing any organization on this. Okay, is it this one? Okay, because it's labeled like WER, and it doesn't really specify. To me, I'm kind of going like, feels like that should specify. Okay, maybe there's a bit of a thing. Okay, did I put this in the right mode? It's in Bluetooth mode, okay. Okay, I'm seeing a flash here. So, let's see. What I'm looking for on my computer is to make sure it recognizes this. Hoping it'd be like, hey, oh, here we go, new devices. Vibe 99. Okay. It was, you know what? I'll bet you anything that was probably there before. So, but I don't know. It says it's connected, and is it? Let's just see about that, and it is. Okay, that was a pretty easy setup. Now, I think it'd be good if we just kind of cut to a little bit of dark shots with this thing, because it looks really cool, and we're just going to do that. Okay, I'm going to go in and I'm going to unplug and plug in the screen. Okay, so you can see it now. Sorry, I got my screen here, there. Hopefully that's not fouling up with this too much. So I discovered like you can hit buttons here like this. You get stuff like color and effect, brightness and speed. But as you can see, I can do color. And I can just alter this. Very cool, huh? Super cool. I'm having trouble altering the small screen here though. I can probably need to go in a bit more detail on that. But I'm going to take it back to that color, or is it? Nope. I'm going to have that FN key done. So can't figure out how to get back to that menu, and not really sure how to. So there we go. Okay, that's okay. Can we alter some more? Oh, no, gotta do brightness. Brightness. Okay. All right, there's the brightness thing there. So okay, so we go back to this and then speed. Let's alter that. Let's see a bit of alteration of speed. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So I believe there's a lot of stuff you can do on this keyboard. I haven't quite mastered everything here. This screen is not a touch, so you got to work it out. And yeah, I think there's a lot of stuff I need to work out here. But hey, I'm off to a good start, and as you can see, it's pretty good, isn't it? I mean, it's very good. What can I say? Okay, so you saw that. Looks pretty cool. So let's talk about some of the features of this thing. First of all, this is an 1800 layout. I'm not really certain what that means, but it's that. It's got 100 keys and this TFT screen. We have got to get more of a demonstration of that, do we? Do anything now? Okay, crazy. I'm going to have to be actually looking at it. So this is kind of an awkward angle, but you get it. So it's pretty good. Well, another feature is the satisfying typing feedback, which I gotta admit, apparently it's the reason why you, now hopefully that you got that sound earlier, but apparently it's soft cushion-like feedback that's enhanced by 5 layers of internal padding, including a Poron sandwich foam, an IXPE switch pad, PET film, Poron PCB foam, and a bottom silicone pad. Okay, that's a lot for me to read, and honestly don't really know what any of that means, but I think it makes it really nice sounding. Hopefully you can hear that sound if you haven't heard it before. Okay, so I'm told this is a flex cut PC plate and finely tuned stabilizers. Well, they certainly do sound good, and this might be one of the finer keyboards I've reviewed in a while. And I reviewed a lot of keyboards. I think I actually have 3 coming here in the next week or so that I'm gonna have to do separate videos for. That'll be fun as I'm done, won't it? But hey, we'll get there when we get there. Okay, so this has a 4,000 milliampere hour battery. So how long is that going to do you for? I think that's an extended wireless range, so we're just going to give you that. Maybe I've got stats on the article itself. And we'll have an article on this for sure. So these are apparently Cherry Profile Double Shot PBT keycaps. So apparently those are, I guess it's these keycaps, they resist wear and shine and maintaining their aesthetic appeal over time. I'm just reading from this because in order for me to really test that out, I'd have to type a lot on this. As it is, I'm probably going to type that one article and you might not ever hear from me again. So anyway, so there's a hot swappable PCB with south-facing RGB, and so easy switch replacements without any soldering. So yeah, I think you can just pluck these suckers out. Normally I have like this little pair of tweezers that usually comes with one of these things. They're not tweezers, but they're, for lack of a better word, there's probably a formal name for these. If you know it, leave a comment on that. That'd be great. Okay, so we're off to a rocky start there, but I think we landed pretty well. Anyway, the price is about $82.99. It's on the Mechlands site right now. Very cool keyboard, I must say. I like the name Vibe because I think I am really vibing with it. Anyway, like I said before, we're going to have a lot of more information on the article itself. So you can just read that and watch a video there. By the way, like and share, recommend this to your friends if they might be interested in something like this. Something like this is a pretty cool gaming keyboard. It's on my green screen, but I'm hopefully nothing's getting affected by that. Anyway, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.